Hello everyone and welcome to class of AWS Management Console. So today in this class we are going to discuss about messaging. So we will discuss about simple queue service. Simple queue service, this is a reliable, scalable and fully managed messaging queuing service. So let's start with this. Here with this we can ensure high availability, we can scale with your business and it will reduce our cost. So first of all, name, that means we have to first of all we require to create a queue, so we have to define queue here. This is the region that we have selected, we can see here. Now this is a queue name. Now what type of queue that we require? We have two types of queue, standard queue and FIFO, which is first input in and first out delivery. Standard queue is giving us a high throughput, so we are having nearly unlimited transactions per second. First in, first out delivery are sent and received in strictly preserved. Here we are having at least once delivery, exactly once delivery. Best effort ordering. Here we have limited throughput, that means 300 transactions per second we are having in FIFO. So what type that we require to create? So we have selected a standard queue, we require to create a standard queue. So this is a queue that we have created. Details, this is a URL, ARN, created last delivery delay, queue type standard. Default visibility timeout 30 seconds. Message retention period is 4 days. These are the questions normally asked in the paper. So default visibility timeout 30 seconds. Message retention period is 4 days. We are having maximum message size 256 KB. We can see permissions over here. So this queue has an empty. We can specify SQS access policy. We can have monitoring. Here we can see number of messages sent, number of messages received, empty receipts. We can check number of messages deleted, visible, not visible, delayed. We can select an encryption. SSE is disabled. We can protect the messages. AWS Key Management, KMS. Content based duplication, message available in flight and created. We can have action, we can send a message. We can type here a message. Like the name string we can define here, message body. We can select the time up to 15 minutes delivery delay. We can send a message from here. Queue action, can view and delete messages. We can configure our queue, we can add a permission. So this is how we can create a queue in this. We can create a new queue also. If you want to create a new queue, go to queue action. We can delete our queue also. Yes, delete queue. So this is how we can create a queue in AWS Management Console. Thank you so much.